Zindus Infra India Pvt Ltd is a leading professionally managed structural, civil repair and waterproofing services provider company which was formed by experienced professionals.
Hello, I am Pvt Ltd, Director of Zindus Infra India Pvt Ltd.
Structural strengthening. Concrete is a very critical construction component. Thus, it is important to ensure quality of concrete to its expected performance levels. Sometimes, because of many uncontrollable parameters, concrete does not live up to its design performance. We provide specialized solutions for this problem, thus avoiding laborious and time-consuming work of dismantling and recasting of deficient concrete section. For more details, contact Zindus Infra India Pvt Ltd. We protect your shelter.